ready, maybe.
Remaining goal.
Maybe on there.
Swimming goal. Hey. Hello. Hello.
Yeah.
Understand. Just you do 15 minutes time, you can review that. There's some idea is there. No? First we go to Babel. Understand? You know, but basic very important. Go for member. After the two.
Jump up. मैं डालता हूँ यहाँ से जंप
मोरे
touch करा
मोरे
मैं touch कर मैं खड़ता हूँ
Yeah.
This one, no, don't go down. See that your sisters, you take more air. Bubbles. Continue. Walk and continue. Sen utar ka. थोड़ा सुधार ले सकता.
दे जा मामूली जिम में जा मालूम नहीं जा फर्स्ट
Continue. Don't do. Listen me. Listen me. Just take more air. Leg in, 3. Leg in, 2. Listen. 1, 2, 3, start. Don't shake your leg movement. Don't shake. Very good. First one time. Okay. 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 10 seconds. Hold your breath. Hold your breath. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Hold your breath. Hold your breath. 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 5 times. Continue 5 times. 1, 2, 3. Continue. 10 times. Okay, 1 time finish. Continue yourself only 10 times. 1, 2, 3, start. 10 times. 10 times. 10 times. 10 times. 10 times. 10 seconds. 10 times. 10 times. Hold your breath. 10 times. Don't see me. Anna. Hey. continue. 10 times finish, raise your hand. Those are 10 times finish, raise your hand. Done? Everyone done? Everyone done? Now little bit take for you. This first class, this second class. Yeah, little bit understand. You try it. If you're not coming, no problem. Understand, you try it. And now use straight. Use straight, you continue the same formula. Okay? Just float. Now you also continue. You try it. Float first. Float very important. You don't shake your hand and leg movement. When you want to break cricketer, understand? Just listen me. Everyone listen me. Just fall down. So fall down to water. Okay. Keep your hand like that. Free your legs. Oh yes, come. Listen, don't do. Just follow. Understand? 4 members. Listen. 4 members. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Only float. Don't shake your hand and leg movement. Only flow. Very good. Continue. 10 and 2. 10 and continue. Only flow. Continue. Let's continue. 1, 2, 3. Flow. Don't shake your hand and legs movement. Continue. 1, 2, 3. Right. Listen front only. Don't listen your friends. Continue. That's very good. Your time. Ready? 1, 2. Take position here. Take position one leg. Forcefully push up. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Like that. Continue. 1, 2. No, continue. Walk and continue. Oh. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Continue. 4 times. Easy. Understand? Okay. Don't come back. Move. Walk and move. Right. You below each other. Right. 1, 2. Then. Walk and bubbles. Very good. Bubbles.
Oi.
Come. You continue. You do like the first floor. Amma, you continue 5 times. How much time? 5 times. 1, 2, no, 5 times. You understand little bit, but you not understand. Do this one 20 times. Right? 20 times. Only flow. Like fluid side. Feel more. You really young more. 20 times. So you continue. How much time finish? 9. Last time finish. I think one time you stand. Phone kicking amma. You continue. How much time? 5 times. Right. Okay. Continue 5 times. Hold 10 seconds. If you not try, yes, hold 10 seconds. Yes, slow. 20 times. How much time? 20 times. When you finish, you call me. Understand?
Yes,
5 times you finish. When you finish, you come and call me.
Listen here.
Come and stand. Come and stand here.
अबू
Come and stand.
क्या पकड़ते हैं?
Leg movement now. Hey, what is your name, Pa? Come and get stand here. Okay, now suggest step. 20 steps.
Hey, bye. Float okay ಇದೆ.
ಇನ್ನೂ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. Yes, 100 times ಇದೆ ಇದು. ಮಾಡಿ, 20 times. Next movement ನೋಡಿ.
ನಮ್ಮ ತಲೆ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಈ ಎರಡು ಕೈ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇದೆ. ರೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Step number 1. Okay. Step number 1. Understand? Step number 2. ಇದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಾನು ಏನು ಗೈಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಫಾಸ್ಟಾಗಿ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿ ಓಕೆ
Ready?
ನೀವು ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ
Start.
ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರೋ
Right, go continue.
ಮಾಡಿ
Continue yourself only. Continue yourself
ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ
only.
ಒಂದು ಆಯ್ತು ಧೈರ್ಯ ಮಾಡಿ
15 times. Last
ಧೈರ್ಯ
5
ಮಾಡಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ
times. You are
ಧೈರ್ಯ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆಂಟ್ನ ನೀವು ರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ದಿಲ್ ಬೀಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ
very good. Understand? Good right. Okay. ಏನಾಗಿ ಇದನ್ನು 10 times ನೋಡಿ. ಕೈ ಬಿಡೋದು 10 times. ಕೈ ಬಿಡೋದು. 1 2 ಬಿಡು ಕೈ. Very good.
ಬಿದ್ದಿಡ್ಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಬಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಎದ್ದು ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಎದ್ದು ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಸೇವ್ ಆಗ್ತೀರಿ ಎದ್ದು ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಮುಳುಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ
ಕಾಲ್ ಜೋಡಿ.
3
ಬಟ್ ಇದನ್ನೇ
and then 4
Comment them please. 4 times. Comment stand. Feel ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು.
She is too
ಅಮ್ಮ ನೀನು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. hand movement ready. Look, listen.
Hey बेटा अंदर जा कर पानी पीने कर
Sorry, 2 members first.
बता ना
2 members.
उठाओ चलो
भिरका तन खाली डुबा उठा दो पानी पी लो
Continue.
पावन छोड़ो उठा ले छोड़ा ले अरे
I'm going to finish you later. I do punishment for you. Don't see me. Listen your focus.
अंदर जा रहे
I'm punishment ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇವಾಗ. Access ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾತ್ರ. 10 times ಮಾಡಿ. 10 times ಬರೋ ತನಕ ಬಿಡಲ್ಲ. ಬಂದ್ರೇನೆ ಅದು ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು.
नहीं मैं उठा मैं छोड़ तन की जा वैसा
ನೋಡಿ ಒಂದು ಟೈಮ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ತಲೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನೋಡಿ. ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ ಯಾರು.
जब तो तत्पड़ियाँ खा जा रहा कम करती नहीं है छोड़ हाथ छोड़ मेरा हाथ छोड़ दे ओ स्ट्रेट ओ लगा ना हाथ वो टच करते हैं
ನಾಲ್ಕು ಜನ ಮಾಡಿ. Continue 20 times. ಒಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. If you learn, you call me.
ये कहीं का रही है
You learn, you call me. You continue करते रहो. दूसरा continue. Listen, how many times? 10 times. How many times?
हाथ छोड़ो
10 times is not like that. One.
वीडियो ऑन है
One comes to like a 10 times. How much times? 10 times. Understand? Now you are finished, man. Do 10 times of 100 times. Okay. This one only continue. 1, 2, 3. Come here. Listen me. 1, 2, 3.
छुराई
But the next